Shared column between units makes it possible to fit more parking space into the limited building space, especially for building with narrow post. Double-stage cylinders used in the hydraulic system request lower ceiling height while not sacrifice on performance and quality. Thanks to the hydraulic direct drive and double-stage cylinder used in to lift, by take out moving parts like pulley and chain, you can enjoy a simple, low-maintain requirement system. IR sensor automatically checking platform position and lift usage situation. When car parking under the rise platform, control will stop lift for possible lowering motion. Corrugated deck protect both vehicle and driver from possible slip and damage. Galvanized platform with zinc-rich powder-coated posts and carriage can resist rust from outdoor environment. Together with speckle control unit makes outside installation possible. For performance-demanding customer, central control with LCD touchscreen is also possible. When the height is less than 3 meters, this machine would be more appropriate.